So can we take a quick dive into hyperbolic geometry for the moment? Can we talk about what asymptotic parallel, so this is the thing that's not, there's no Euclidean analog for it. So how do we want to deal with that? Well, Cinderella gives us a picture of this. This is the Cinderella program. So, well, this is a screenshot from a Cinderella program. So these two lines are asymptotically parallel, which means that they intersect, but they intersect on the boundary. And as you will recall, the boundary is not part of the geometry. The boundary is outside of the geometry. So these two lines do not intersect in the plane. The plane is the disk, not including the boundary. So what happens when we reflect over this and then over that? Well, Cinderella does that for us. So we take line segment EF, we reflect it over line A, and then we reflect that over line B. And so this segment has that as an image, and that is an image under what is called a horolation. And a horolation is a reflection in line L composed of the reflection in line M, in which L and M are asymptotically parallel. So in the same way that we can take all the Euclidean isometries and put them all together and say everybody is that's all a group. If we throw horolations in, every hyperbolic isometry is one of the ones we talked about in Euclidean geometry or this one. There are no others. It's a similar proof to the Euclidean proof. I should note, horolations have no fixed points. They have no fixed points, which is somewhat interesting, but also not very surprising, because basically we're reflecting over lines that intersect, and they intersect outside of the geometry. So if there was going to be a fixed point, it would be this point, but this point is outside of the geometry, and so there are no fixed points because all the points inside the geometry are not this one. Okay? Okay. So there you go. That's all you really need to know about a horolation, that it exists, because we don't want to forget that our hyperbolic geometry days existed. We don't want to forget that. I know that you're screaming at YouTube right now, yes we do, yes we do, no we don't. And so that's all I would ever require you to know about that. There you go. All right.